my fellow comic book collectors. This video is going to be another unboxing video, hopefully some Golden Age, maybe some Silver Age as well, and one big, huge mystery box with a whole bunch of stuff in it, and it's from my comic shop. And this one is just a small bonus. So we're going to see what's inside. I'm going to pause the video for just one moment, slice a bit, and show you what's inside. Okay, so I've done all the cutting. I'm going to show you what's inside the little one first. It's just one comic, but it's a cool one. It is the first appearance of Black Flash. You can see it right there. It says. So this is Flash 138. And I actually just, I always like to get first appearances, and I actually kind of just like the cover. I thought it was kind of an interesting cover. So yeah, just kind of a cool little first appearance. Okay, the next one is the big box. And of course, the big box, well, hopefully, I'll just take out all the stuff first. Oh, it has a whole bunch of comics. This is a big unboxing video, so it might be a long one. Okay, well, that was huge. Okay, so there's like a whole bunch of, there's a couple slabs, a bunch of comics, three like this. I'm going to show you what's inside. So when I order from them, I have a tendency of trying to pick up a lot of, I find that mycomicshop.com is a good place to buy sort of the in-between issues of comics. So a lot of the time I'm buying, like when I'm trying to complete a run, I'll use my comic shop as a place to get the sort of missing items. Because a lot of the times they don't list those kind of comics on eBay, or what happens is they might have one and not another. So, you know, if you're trying to get a whole bunch of filler issues, you don't want to end up having to pay shipping for each individual. My comic shop, where it's like, you know, not expensive or anything, but it's just a way of getting things a little bit cheaper. Now, what I was trying to do in this order was I'm trying to get a complete run of Star Trek, the Gold Key first series. So a lot of these are going to be Star Trek related ones. So this is Star Trek number 42, Star Trek number 20. Also, I was trying to get, I ordered already, if you watch my other unboxing video, Crisis on Infinite Earths, and this was the issue that was missing. So issue number 2. So now I have the complete set of Crisis on Infinite Earths, and some more Star Trek, 54, 41. I really like these Gold Key Star Treks. I was a big fan of Star Trek when I was a kid. 37. And I'm also trying to get, like, you know, I also order like my, you know, my current comics that I'm really interested in. So I'm really a big fan of Kanto. So this is Kanto. And this is the special, I believe that's the, no, maybe that's not the special one. I thought that was the incentive version, but no, it isn't. Department of Truth, another good series. And this one I just thought was this cool homage one, Captain America 337. And I believe there's a first appearance in that one as well. Then there's like a bunch of books that I heard that, because there's the Moonknight series come out, these are spec books for that series. So these are kind of my guesses that maybe could be cool for the Moonknight series that's coming out. So this is Moonknight number 35. Okay, this is, I think this is where he meets his brother. So his first appearance or something like that. And then this is number 4, Moonknight number 4. Okay, and now some more Star Trek. So Star Trek 55, Star Trek 22, Star Trek 49, Star Trek 23, Star Trek 26, and Star Trek 31. So really nice covers for these ones. Okay, now we'll get into some of the other ones here. Oh, okay, so this is Captain Marvel Adventures, number 80. This is just an appearance of the wizard. So I just thought it was a cool Captain Marvel. I believe this retells his origin story, so it's kind of a cool issue. Okay, so that's a nice golden age, and a couple slabs. I believe one of these slabs is these actually. What happened was I moved around a lot, and I lost a bunch of my comics. And one of the comics that I lost was X-Men 266. And also I lost, I had like a whole bunch of like first appearances in X-Men, and for some reason they're all gone. I can't find them. So I ended up having to repurchase them. So this is the first slab is my, replacement for my X-Men 266. So this is the first appearance of Gambit. And he also made a first appearance in another, like there's sort of a debate about this one being his first appearance, but at least it's his first cover appearance. But I think this is truly his first appearance. The other one is within, I think it's annual, I forgot what annual it is. It's in one of the annuals where he also makes an appearance. So yeah, that's that one. And one more slab. Now this is a slab that was on my top 10 list of ones. Oh no, actually it isn't. I thought this was a different one. Sorry. This is another cool one. A comic that I always wanted. It's Teen Titans, the first series, and it is from 1966. So it's Teen Titans 1. And it's just a very cool cover. It has Beast Boy and has kind of lots of cool things going on. It's just a really, really cool, comic. So that's Teen Titans number 1. And next, so another big box group of comics. Okay. Oh, this is a series I was told was quite good. I don't know anything about it. I haven't read it yet, but I told it was told it was a really good series. So I bought these for cover price. This is Folklore, and I just bought the whole series. So this is Folklore number 5. Another Star Trek. So it's going to be. You'll see the rest of the Folklore series in here somewhere. And then this is another Star Trek. So as I said, I was trying to get all the filler issues for Star Trek. 59 for Star Trek. Nice Spock cover. Okay, this is Future State Wonder Woman, the Immortal Wonder Woman. I think this is Future State. Yeah. So it's Immortal Wonder Woman. And this is another Immortal, but Star Trek, 47. And 46. So I can put these down. And number 25. So almost a complete run. I already had issues from 1 to 10 almost. So, and then this is Miss Marvel. I'm trying to get a run of this. I'm only missing, I think I have the complete set. At least one more that's coming in the mail. So this is number 4. And another Canto, number 4. This is the B cover, I think. That's the retailer incentive cover, actually. And this is, what is this? Star Trek number 6. The earliest ones below 10 had like these photo covers, and I thought they were quite brilliant. This is a really nice graded one, actually. So yeah, so the high grade. So that's number 6. And Sandman number 1. This is the Kirby Sandman. I actually had all the other issues from the series. I just finally got this. This is the issue that I was missing. Just one issue. And it's like, you know, a nice high grade Sandman number 1 from the Kirby series. Okay. And this is another one of those Moonknight specs. I forgot what this one is, but it's Moonknight number 36. I'll have to look these up. I forgot what they were. I know that there are some major characters introduced in each of those that are probably going to be in the TV series, so you might want to check those one out yourself. And then it's Star Trek 29, Star Trek 28. Okay, and this is Flash 189. Now, 198. This is basically a bit of a Zatanna intro story. I think this introduces the character. I think it's this one or the next comic that I have that introduces Abracadabra, the character that's sort of a nemesis for Zatanna. And then this is Flash 128. I'm going to actually pause the video for a second. I'm just going to look this one up. Yeah, so I got them mixed up. This one is the first appearance of Abracadabra. And this one is the first Zatanna solo story. I knew it, I got them mixed up, which one was which. Haven't read them yet, so I'm going to read them afterwards. So yeah. I just wanted to make sure that I had that correct in the video. And this is Star Trek 60. I think this is the one of the last in the series, the second last. I think it's 61 issues in the series, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so last group of comics. So there's a lot of comics. This is a big unboxing video. So yeah, one last group of comics. Okay, some more Star Trek. As I said, I'm trying to get the run of Star Trek, so you're going to see a lot of Star Trek. So 63, or 53, I should say. And some more folklore. As I said, I bought 1 through 5. So I'm hopefully that's a good read. Hopefully it was worth buying. Star Trek 56. Star Trek 35. Spot cover. Star Trek 39. This is the other Miss Marvel that I was missing. Miss Marvel 19. I think that's the last of the series for that one. Star Trek 52. Folklore. Folklore number 2, I believe. Or 3, number 3. Folklore number 1. Hopefully it's a good series. Still, it's like, you know, cover price, so it's a good one to pick up. This is a Whitman variant, actually. So this is Star Trek 51 and Star Trek 48. Star Trek 44. Star Trek 57. Star Trek 24, and Folklore number 2. So Folk Lords, I should say. I'm saying it wrong. I'm saying Folklore. It's Folk Lords. Okay. And then it's Star Trek number 40. And this is Future State Batman. I ordered a bunch of Future State, and I did another unboxing video with those Future States. But I was missing a few issues. I didn't get the Batman. I should have probably bought the Batman Future State, but I didn't. I still was able to get it for cover price, so yeah, it's not bad. Actually, I think it was slightly cheaper than cover price for that one. And then Star Trek 27. And the last one is Star Trek 32. Now, just to mention, because I did have one Whitman variant, which I was a little bit surprised. I thought they were all gold key. So here's the Whitman variant for Star Trek. Now, I believe that Whitman and gold key would do like a simultaneous publishing. So you would get both at the same time. So the Whitman ones are a little bit rarer. So this actually might be slightly more valuable for the Whitman version of it. It depends. So you gotta look it up. I'm not sure personally, but I just think it's interesting that it is a Whitman variant. The Whitman variants are also newsstands. So this is a newsstand. So yeah, so that's the full collection of comics that I got. So one golden age, the Captain. This is kind of a nice issue, the Captain Marvel. It's, you know, I always like getting a nice, you know, it's not a high grade or anything, but it is kind of a key issue because it is Captain Marvel's first like sort of origin story retold. So, you know, it's kind of cool. It's always nice to get a golden age comic. So a lot of silver and bronze in this collection that I picked up. As I said, a lot of it is really just trying to fill in gaps in my collection. So I'm trying to get that full run of Star Trek. I'm trying to get, full Miss Marvel run. So you'll see that was really played out in this video where there was a lot of issues that I was trying to fill in that I was missing. And I got a few key issues for my Zatanna collection. Even though they're Flash issues, they're really Zatanna related. I really like Zatanna as a character. So that's been my unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed. It's a bit of a longer one. There's actually a couple more big boxes that I'm expecting, so stay tuned for those. Thanks for watching. Bye.